Good morning, third class children. In the previous classes we are doing additions now, adding 3-digit numbers, addition of three-digit numbers, addition of 4-digit numbers without carrying, and additions on abacus. Now today also the continuation children, addition of 4-digit numbers with carrying. Add 6,817 and 2,594. First write the numbers in column wise. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Next 2,594. Add these numbers. First add ones place digits. 7 plus 4. Take 4 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 means 1 carry forward, 1 is in answer place. 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9. Take 9 fingers. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 1 carry forward. 10 plus 1, 11. Again 1 is carry forward, 1 is in answer place. Next add hundreds place digits. 8 plus 5. Take 5 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. Next add thousand place digits. 6 plus 2. Take 2 fingers. 6 after 7, 8. Plus 1 carry forward. 8 plus 1, 9. So 9,411 is the sum, children. Next, we are going to learn, let us learn about the additions of 4-digit numbers on word problems. Word problems on 4-digit numbers. Look here, children, here is a sum. Read that one. A ready-made garment factory makes 3,560 shirts and 4,218 trousers in a week. How many garments does the factory make in a week in total? First, you have to read the problem 2 times, children. You have to read the problem 2 times and understand it. What is the given information here? A ready-made garment factory makes shirts and trousers. They are given the numbers for a week and asking how many garment does factory make in a week in total. So here the number of shirts is given, number of trousers is given and asking the number of garments in a week. So here we have to add those 2 numbers. First write number of shirts. Number of shirts. How many? 3,560. Next, number of trousers. 4,218. So add these 2 numbers, then you will get the answer. Add first ones place digits. After tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. 0 plus 8. 0 plus 8 how much? 8. 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 5 plus 2. Take 2 fingers. 5 after 6, 7. 3 plus 4. Take 4 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. 7,778. So, number of garments factory make in a week how many? 7,778. Second sum, children. Read the sum. A floor uses 5,672 roses and 3,759 tulips in a month to make flower bouquets. How many flowers does he use in a month to make bouquets? Again to make flower bouquets. And they are asking how many flowers does he use in a month to make bouquets. So in a month they are using how many bouquets, how many flowers in total they are asking. So first write it down the given information, children. What is the given information? Number of roses and number of tulips. Number of roses 5672. Next, number of tulips. Tulips 3759. Then you add these two numbers. Come from ones place, children. First add ones row. 2 plus 9 how much? Take 9 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 2 plus 9, 11. 7 plus 5. Take 5 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Again 6 plus 7. Take 7 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. 5 plus 3. Take 3 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So the total number of flowers uses in a month to make bouquets is 9431 flowers. Next I am going to explain workbook, children. Take out your workbook. Workbook page number 20, children. Add the following numbers and one is done for you. This is the sum given in your workbook, children. 1 plus 8. So this is row addition. Now you have to write like column wise. 1 plus 8. How much? 9. Next one. 5 plus 4. You also write like this. 5 and 4 plus. So 5 plus 4 how much? Take 4 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 plus 4, 9. Next, 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2. Take 2 fingers. 6 after 7, 8. Next, 4 plus 9. Write 4, 9. 4 plus 9. Take 9 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 4 plus 9 how much? 13. 3 plus 4. Take 4 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. So write first 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 how much? 7. Next 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9. Take 9 fingers. Count 8 after. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 8 plus 9, 17. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3. Take 3 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 how much? 8. 6 plus 4. Take 4 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 plus 4 how much? 10. This is the first row in your workbook, children. And next second row. 13 plus 6. Write 13 and write 6 under 13. 13 is a 2-digit number and 6 is a single-digit number. Where you have to write 6, children? Under ones place or tens place? Very good. Under ones place. So this is 2-digit number. This is ones and tens. But 6 is a single-digit number. Means ones place only. 13 plus 6. plus 6, 9. And there is no number to add in tens place. Only one number, that is 1. So write it down, that number. 19. Next, 12 plus 5. So first add ones place after tens place. Otherwise you will add like this also, children. 12 plus 5. Take 5 fingers. Count 12 after. 12 after 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 12 plus 5 how much? 17. You can add 2 plus 5, 7 and tens place value 1. Like this, or add 12 plus 5 directly. 12 is keep in mind, take 5 fingers. 12 after count up to 17. Okay? Next one. 11 plus 7. So 11 is keep in mind, take 7 fingers. 11 after 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 11 plus 7, 18. Next one, 17 plus 2. Here do like column wise, children. Ones column after tens column. First add 7 plus 2. 2 is keep in mind. Sorry, 7 is keep in mind. Take 2 fingers. 7 after 8, 9. Tens place value 1. So 17 plus 2 how much? 19. Next, 14 plus 4. First add ones place digits. 4 plus 4. Take 4 fingers. Count 4 after. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. Tens place digit 1. 18. Next, 15 plus 2. 5 plus 2. Take 2 fingers. 5 after 6, 7. Tens place value 1. 17. Next, 18 plus 0. 18 plus 0 how much? If any number is added to 0, the answer is the number itself. 18 plus 0, 18. Next, 13 plus 3. 13 plus 3. So, first do ones place digits. 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 3. Take 3 fingers, count 3 after. 3 after 4, 5, 6. And tens place digit is 1. 16. Okay, children? Children, 1 and 2 rows are completed. This is the third row, children. Look, 15 plus 12. 15 plus 12. Now here 2 places are here. Ones place and tens place. So first add ones place digits. 5 plus 2. How much? 5 after 6, 7. 5 plus 2, 7. 1 plus 1, 2. So 15 plus 12 how much? 27. Next, 72 plus 26. 72 plus 26. 2 plus 6. How much? 2 plus 6. Take 6 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 plus 6, 8. 7 plus 2. 7 after 8, 9. 98. 38 plus 10. 8 plus 0 how much? 8 itself. 3 plus 1, 4. 48. 42 plus 57. 2 plus 7. Take 7 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 plus 7, 9. Next, 4 plus 5. Take 5 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 plus 5 also 9. 99. 80 plus 19. 80 plus 19. 0 plus 9, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. So this sum also 99. Next, 20 plus 20. 0 plus 0 how much? 0. 2 plus 2. 2 after 3, 4. 2 plus 2 how much? 4. 20 plus 20, 40. 52 plus 36. 2 plus 6. Or you will add like this, 6 plus 2 also. Same answer then you will get. So add 2 plus 6. Take 6 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you add 6 plus 2, means count 6 after, add 2. 6 after 7, 8. Then you will get the same answer 8. 5 plus 3. Take 3 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 also 8. 88 is the answer. Last one. 64 plus 21. 4 plus 1, 5. 6 plus 2. 6 after 7, 8. 85. This is the third row, children. Write the answers in your workbook in page number 20 up to here, children. Take your parent help and write neatly.